Okay, so this is the Rambam's Guide of the Perplexed. This is part 1, chapter 17. And again, I say this quite frequently, that I believe that the first 50 chapters of part 1, he's giving over to his student the 50 gates of Binah. So, chapter 17, do not think that only the divine science should be withheld from the multitude. This holds good also for the greater part of natural science. In fact, we have repeatedly set down for you in our dictum, in the introduction specifically, the account of the beginning, or natural science, his idea of natural science, the account of the beginning, which is Ma'aseh Bereshit, ought not to be taught in the presence of two men. This is not only the case with regard to people adhering to law, or Torah, but also with regard to the philosophers and learned men of the various communities in ancient times. For they concealed what they said about the first principles and presented it in riddles. Thus Plato and his predecessors designated matter as the female and form as the male. Now you know that the principles of the existence subjects to generation and corruption are three: matter, form, and particularized privation, which is always conjoined with matter. For were it not for this conjunction with privation, matter would not receive form. It is in the sense that privation is to be concerned as one of the principles. However, when a form is achieved, the particular privation in question, I mean the privation of the form that is achieved, disappears, and another privation is conjoined with matter. And this goes on forever, as has been made clear in natural science. Now, as even those upon whom the charge of corruption would not be laid in the event of clear exposition, used terms figuratively and resorted to teaching in similes, how much all the more is it incumbent upon us, the community of those adhering to Torah or law, not to state explicitly a matter that is either remote from the understanding of the multitude, or the truth of which, as it appears to the imagination of these people, is different from what is intended by us. Know this also.